We made it up to the top of Crowder's Mountain. A few months ago, my niece Nikki told me that she would like to learn how to rock climb.
Look at that. Look at that.
Not far from where I live is Crowder's Mountain State Park. My good buddy Steve has been teaching people how to climb for 35 years, and I knew he would be the perfect person to show Nikki how to do this.
There you go.
So over a long weekend, Nikki drove down to my house in North Carolina from West Virginia to go rock climbing outside for the first time. Good morning. It's Saturday, May 18th, 2024, and I'm at Crowder's Mountain State Park, and we're hiking up to the top. My niece Nikki right here and I, along with some friends back behind us, we're walking up to the top, and she's going to be climbing on the mountain today. It's her first time climbing outdoors, so I'm going to be the belayer. I'm not climbing, but anyhow, we got to get to the top first. Almost to the steps. 343. If you've watched some of my other videos from the past, you may remember Nikki. She and I went to Italy and Greece in the summer of 2022 after she graduated from high school. It's a 13-part series from June of 2022, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can easily go back and watch those. Almost to the top. All right, we made it up to the top of Crowder's Mountain. A little harder than yesterday because I was carrying about 20 pounds worth of gear, where yesterday I was just me, no gear. But anyhow, we're at the top. Nikki's right over there. And so we're cooling off a little bit, then we're gonna set up the ropes and then go down here. We're at the top. We're now getting the equipment out. Steve's the boss. He knows, he's been doing this stuff for 35 years. So we've got the webbing out, getting the ropes out. Nikki's getting the harness on. And once we're done up here, we'll go down to the bottom down there. And she'll get her shoes on and everything there. So we got finished tying off the rock up at the top. So now we're headed down towards the bottom of the rock where Nikki's gonna start her climb. All right, so we made it to the bottom of Gaston Crack, and so Nikki, she's excited because she's getting ready to go up to the top.
Never done this before.
And she'll be going right up there. So, anyhow.
Supposed to be an easy one.
What is this, a 5.5? Is that what it is? 5.5. So she's expert on tying in all the knots and everything. She's got that.
The harness. Got the shoes over here.
Now, does it look right?
Yes. No.
That's right,
Okay.
that's right. And then what do? We tie a couple of stopper knots right here. We will say, you will say, climber ready,
Okay.
and I will acknowledge, okay. And then you will say, on belay, and I will say, belay is on. You're asking me to protect you, and I'm saying, I will protect you. Then you say, climbing, and I say, climb on. That way, I am ready to go before you start climbing.
Is belay on?
Belay is on. Then what do you say? What are you fixing to do?
Climb.
Climbing. Climb on.
Okay. Just wherever?
Well, kind of stay to the left,
Okay.
inside of that crack.
I mean, I just...
If you go to your left, there's plenty of stuff.
Okay.
Feet too. Get your feet up and then your hands up.
Okay. I'm trying to keep my arms straight.
Well, no, whenever you're pulling, whenever you're resting, your arms need to be straight.
Oh, but when I'm pulling, it's fine.
Yeah, you got to pull up.
Okay.
do pull-ups.
Great. If this one's easy, I don't want to know what a hard one's like.
Oh,
Watch
for
your
goodness sake. That one's got handholds everywhere.
I know, but I'm trying to see where I can put my foot up.
To the right. There you go. There you go. You're flexible.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so right there, are your feet where they're good?
Yeah.
Just lean back. Yeah. Now, see, you can't go anywhere. See, you're used to climbing on a wall where everything's provided for you, like sticking out like a sore thumb. This you gotta hunt and find. Let's just put hands on feet. On the ledge, it's got to look up right here. There you go. Good.
Well.
Nikki did a great job making it up to the top of Gaston Crack on her very first try.
Yeah.
All right, good climb. Good climb.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, there's a lizard. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Her next couple of tries on a different wall were not quite so easy.
Hold on. Be ready, cause that's hard.
Well, I'm gonna tell you, you were a full body length ahead of where you were like. Yeah. You were, swell idea. Now turn and face the rock.
We walked across the top of the mountain to go to a second spot for climbing. Well, if you can call this walking across the top, that is.
Okay.
Turn and face the rock.
Okay.
See, look.
Ah, it's a little bit of a. Okay.
We've walked across the top of the mountain, so now we're over at an area called the Fortress.
Good.
And we've decided that we're gonna do some climbing here. Nikki and Connor did some climbing at the other place, but now we've gone over here, a little, not quite as many people here as it was before. Nikki's tying off her water knot so that we can get set up. All right, Nikki's getting ready to go up. What's this thing called, Steve? What's this one called? The Fortress. This is the Fortress one.
man, that breeze feels good.
As the day went on, and with more practice, Nikki got better and better at her climbing.
And get your foot up. There you go. Just find something out there. Look at that. Wow.
I don't know where to go.
Reach up. Wow. That's it. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have the bottom.
Her last two climbs of the day were by far her best. She absolutely killed these last two climbs. She wasn't quite able to do her 360-degree spin around on the climb down, but that's okay, we'll save that for next time.
That's just been actually climbing it.
At the very end, Steve showed her how to rappel, although this really wasn't her favorite thing.
I mean, a little bit first. But...
We had a great day here at Crowder's Mountain State Park. Nikki did awesome climbing for her first time outdoor climbing, and the last one, as you just saw, she absolutely killed it. It was at the Fortress. So anyway, well, Nikki, what'd you think?
I loved it. It was so much fun. I definitely want to go again. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. Takes a lot out of you though. A lot of strength and sweat.
I didn't even climb and I'm exhausted. So we're gonna go back, take a shower, and then get some dinner because I'm hungry.
Me too.
All right, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.